Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to change age on Facebook. So let's get started the video. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Go to the menu bar, then tap on your profile picture or name to open your profile. Scroll down to find and tap on See Your About info. Click here, now scroll down and under Basic Info, tap on the Edit option. Here you will see your birth date listed. Tap on the Edit icon next to your birth date. Adjust your birth date as needed. You can change the day, month and year. Once you have made your changes, tap Save to update your birth date. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.